Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to take good care of your baby and what simple daily habits can help keep your baby comfortable, healthy, and happy. In the beginning, caring for a baby may feel overwhelming because everything is new. But with patience and a simple routine, daily care becomes much easier over time. One of the most important things is maintaining a clean and comfortable environment for your baby. Regularly cleaning feeding items, clothes, and sleeping areas helps support hygiene and comfort. It is also important to pay attention to your baby's feeding routine. Feeding your baby on time and observing their comfort after feeding can help build a smooth daily routine. Sleep is another important part of baby care. Babies need proper rest throughout the day, so creating a calm and quiet sleeping environment can help them feel more relaxed. Pay attention to your baby's signals and behavior. Babies often communicate through small sounds, movements, or expressions. Over time, you will naturally start understanding what your baby needs. Keeping your baby comfortable during weather changes is also important. Choosing soft and comfortable clothing helps your baby stay relaxed throughout the day. Gentle interaction is equally important. Talking softly, holding your baby carefully, and spending calm time together can help your baby feel safe and secure. It is also important for parents to stay calm and patient. Babies can sense stress and emotions, so a peaceful environment often helps both the baby and parents feel better. Remember, every baby is different, and every parent learns with time. There is no need to feel pressure to do everything perfectly from the beginning. With love, patience, and a simple daily routine, taking care of your baby becomes more natural and comfortable every day. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.